Ever pondered on the untapped potential nestled within Morocco's bustling cities and thriving industries? What if I revealed to you 5 ingenious pathways to invest in this vibrant North African gem and earn fast money? From the exotic allure of Marrakesh to the cosmopolitan energy of Casablanca, there lies a world of opportunity waiting to be seized by astute investors. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the clandestine strategies that promise not only financial gain, but also a taste of Morocco's rich cultural tapestry. Subscribe now and catch the entire video for a full understanding. 1. The Moroccan Real Estate Renaissance. Close your eyes and envision strolling through the bustling streets of Marrakesh, surrounded by the scent of spices and the vibrant colors of the Medina. Now imagine owning a piece of this enchanting city, a luxurious riad tucked away in a quiet corner, or perhaps a modern apartment with views of the Atlas Mountains. Morocco's real estate market is experiencing a renaissance, particularly in its major cities like Marrakech, Rabat, and Casablanca. The combination of historical charm and modern infrastructure has attracted investors from around the world. Luxury villas, chic apartments, and commercial spaces are in high demand, fueled by both domestic and international interest. Investors are drawn not only to the aesthetic appeal of Moroccan real estate, but also to the country's favorable investment climate. Government initiatives, including favorable policies and incentives, further boost investor confidence. These measures, such as tax incentives and streamlined bureaucratic processes, facilitate ease of investment and instill confidence in prospective buyers looking to capitalize on Morocco's burgeoning property market. Investing in Moroccan real estate is not merely a financial endeavor, but also a cultural and social investment. Furthermore, the influx of tourists and expatriates seeking long-term stays has created a robust rental market, providing additional income streams for savvy investors. The demand for luxury villas and boutique hotels remains robust in Marrakesh, driven by the city's status as a premier tourist destination. In Rabat, there has been a surge in demand for modern apartments and waterfront properties, fueled by the city's growing population and expanding economy. 2. Airbnb. Imagine waking up in a traditional Moroccan riad, sipping mint tea on a sun-drenched terrace overlooking the bustling streets of Marrakech. Now imagine owning that riad and turning it into a profitable venture through Airbnb. With millions of tourists flocking to Morocco each year, there's a constant demand for unique accommodations. Platforms like Airbnb provide a convenient and efficient avenue for property owners to tap into this growing market, offering short-term rentals that cater to the needs of modern travelers. The rise of Airbnb has democratized the hospitality industry, allowing individuals and small businesses to compete on a level playing field with established hotels and resorts. Whether it's a traditional riad nestled within Marrakech's bustling Medina or a chic apartment overlooking Rabat's scenic coastline, Airbnb provides a platform for property owners to showcase their offerings to a global audience of potential guests. This democratization of the hospitality sector not only empowers property owners, but also enriches the travel experience for guests, who can choose from a diverse array of accommodations that reflect the local culture and character of Morocco. From a financial perspective, Airbnb offers a compelling proposition for property owners seeking to maximize their return on investment. By leveraging the platform's extensive reach and marketing capabilities, hosts can attract a steady stream of guests and generate substantial rental income throughout the year. Moreover, Airbnb's flexible pricing options and booking policies allow hosts to adapt to changing market conditions and optimize their revenue potential. 3. Navigating Morocco's booming tourism sector. Morocco's tourism industry is experiencing unprecedented growth, presenting lucrative opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. From tour operators to boutique hotel owners, there's a diverse range of ventures waiting to be explored. With its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Morocco continues to attract travelers from across the globe. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this thriving market by offering unique experiences, accommodations, and services tailored to the needs of modern travelers. Imagine launching a boutique tour company specializing in immersive cultural experiences where travelers can explore ancient Medinas, dine with local families, and participate in traditional artisan workshops. Or envision opening a boutique hotel in the heart of Rabat's historic Casbah, offering luxury accommodations infused with Moroccan flair and personalized service. By tapping into Morocco's tourism sector, investors not only stand to profit, but also contribute to the country's economic development. Tourism generates revenue, creates jobs, and stimulates growth in related industries such as hospitality, transportation, and retail. In conclusion, Morocco's booming tourism sector offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to make their mark in one of the world's most enchanting destinations. 4. Driving economic growth. Picture this: towering factories illuminated against the night sky, with workers bustling about on the production lines, crafting everything from automobiles to textiles. This is the scene in Morocco's industrial heartland, where the country's strategic location, skilled workforce, and robust infrastructure have positioned it as a hub for industrial and manufacturing investments. From automotive assembly plants to textile factories, the country offers diverse opportunities for investors seeking long-term growth. Government incentives, such as tax breaks and infrastructure support, further enhance the attractiveness of Morocco's industrial sector. By investing in manufacturing facilities and production lines, investors can tap into both domestic and export markets, driving economic growth and job creation in the process. Moreover, Morocco's strategic location offers access to key markets in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, making it an ideal base for companies looking to expand their global reach. One company leading the charge in Morocco's industrial sector is Casablanca-based Atlas Industries, which specializes in automotive manufacturing. Atlas Industries recently announced plans to expand its production capacity and introduce new models to meet growing demand in domestic and international markets. 5. Accelerating into the future. Imagine cruising along the scenic coast of Casablanca in a sleek electric vehicle, the wind in your hair and the ocean stretching out before you. This vision of the future is quickly becoming a reality in Morocco as the country accelerates into the future with its groundbreaking advancements in automotive technology. Morocco's automotive industry is undergoing a technological revolution, fueled by innovation and investment. With a focus on electric vehicles, autonomous driving technology, and sustainable mobility solutions, the country is poised to become a leader in the automotive sector. Companies like Atlas Motors and Green Tech Automotive, based in Casablanca, are leading the charge, designing and manufacturing electric vehicles that rival those produced by established global players. Morocco's automotive technology advancements are not just about building better cars, they're about building a better future for all. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving technology, Morocco is at the forefront of innovation, driving economic growth, creating jobs, and paving the way for a more sustainable tomorrow. As we wrap up, here's a question for you. Which investment idea caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like, and share with fellow investors. Your support keeps us going.